Hey boss, welcome back to Crypto Trader. Ethereum took a huge move yesterday, as you can see in the H4 graph. Right now, we have a couple of huge bearish momentum candles. But if you take a closer look at the second bearish candle, you will notice that we have a long wick rejection from the bottom, and we are still above 50 EMA as well in 4 hourly graph. It means we have a good buying pressure in this area, and buyers do not want to see the market going further down from this point. So I assume that this vacant area could be the strong support for the price if it comes back again in this area to retest the strength of the buyers. So let's start our video and see what can we do in this situation. Welcome back. Well, we are in the H4 graph right now. Although we have seen couple of good bearish candles recently, but the second candle clearly suggests the buy zone here in this area. Buyers took command from here, and then we have seen three consecutive candles, bullish candles afterwards. So in this situation, if you have already taken a buy position yesterday, then I believe you should hold your position until the price breaks below the recent low of the Ethereum price, which is 4467 in Binance chart. And potential take profit area should be around 5000, as I believe that this recent price action suggests the price is going to break the recently made top very easily. But just like me, if you have missed the previous buy opportunity, then we try to find our buy position on the basis of our three-step trading rules, as you know already. And you know, the first step of our trading rule is to find trend, which is very clear that it is an uptrend. Second step is to find major areas of values where the price has shown some respect in the recent past. So let's find our recent structure. So to me, this is our recently developed zone. As you can see, the market has respected this zone couple of times. Once this zone has been respected as a support, and once it has been respected as a resistance by the price. Now, yesterday, the price took a huge dip below this zone, but still buyers managed controlling the price within this zone, as you can see here. It clearly shows that as long as any candle does not close below this zone, which is between 4619 and 4691, we can assume that we have to find only buy entries. So now we know what is the trend, and we know the major area of zones we have to respect, because market has shown some respect about this zone. The third step is now to find our entry point. Well, in this situation, we know that we have to find only buy entries, as we just discussed. To find your entry, I suggest you should drop down to one time frame, and therefore we will go down to 1 hourly graph, because our major area of value has been defined in 4 hourly graph. Now we are in the hourly graph, and I only prefer opening any buy position when I find a double bottom, a hammer candle, or a good bullish engulfing candle, because these three reasons are the top reasons to me to enter into a buy position. Let the price come back to retest this support zone and find any good buy reason here. Uh, then place your buy entry with the stop loss below this structure zone, wherever you feel comfortable. So this was our Ethereum analysis, and as per the current situation, I believe only buy entries should be taken, and we should avoid taking any sell position, because the momentum is still bullish and price is willing to go upward in the current scenario. And in the end, the disclaimer, everything in this video is just my opinion, and I could be completely wrong. Listen and watch at your own risk, and never take anything I say as financial advice, because I'm just a guy on YouTube and not a financial advisor. Thank you. Enjoy. Good luck. Happy trading.